Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to search for a quotation by quotation number using quick search option in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to quick search option at the top of the page. Here we have to choose the type as quotation number. Enter the quotation number in the value column. After filling the details, click on search button. Once after you click the quotation, results will be displayed on the screen. If we click on quotation number, then we can directly navigate to the quotation summary page. There we can find all the details regarding the quotation. Hope now you got an idea about how to search for a quotation by quotation number using quick search option in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.